Okay, dear students, once again, welcome to you, and here with another interesting class for you. I am very happy that you are all showing interest in the class, okay, and your practice also very nicely for your examination, okay. Thank you, all of you, for your hard work. Yes. So for you, I am going to discuss another interesting class here now. Okay, it is based on the concept of coordinate geometry. I hope you all are looking forward with eagerness. I hope you will practice it. Okay, in a proper manner. Is it clear? Let's see one by one. Okay, and here question number 1 I am going to discuss. Okay, here the question number 1 is that very simple question. You have to find out the distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points using the distance formula. Let me read the question first. The distance between the points A, whose coordinates A cos theta plus B sin theta 0, and the point B with coordinates 0, A sin theta minus B cos theta is. Here the option A is given A square plus B square. Option B is A plus B. Option C is A square minus B square. And option D is A square plus B square root over. Okay. Understand? And all of you know how to find out the distance between the 2 points. Already it is explained to you. Okay. Okay. Here the 2 points are given. Here the 2 points are given. One point is A, other point is B. What is the distance between the 2 points? Here the coordinate of point A is A cos theta plus B sin theta 0. It means the x coordinate is A cos theta plus B sin theta of the point A, and the y coordinate is 0. Okay, and here there is another point B whose x coordinate is 0. Okay, and the y coordinate is A sin theta minus B cos theta. Okay, understand? Let us find out the distance between the point A and B. Okay, is it clear? And it is very simple question for you, and you have to find out the distance between the 2 points using the distance formula. Okay, and we know what is the distance formula. The distance between the 2 points joining the coordinates x1 y1 and another coordinate x2 y2 is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. Okay, the distance between the 2 points A and B, whose A coordinates is x1 y1 and the B coordinate is x2 y2, then the distance between the 2 points square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. All of you know this one. Okay, here is a point A whose x coordinate is x1 and y coordinate is what? y1. This is, and here the x coordinate point B, another point B whose x coordinate is x. This is x2 and this is y2. Understand? Okay. So here you have to find out the distance between the 2 points. Here the distance between the 2 points is distance between the 2 points between A and B. Okay, is equal to AB, and the formula is that square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. All of you know, yes or no? Yes or no? So you see now, here x2 is 0 minus the coordinate of x2, and here coordinate of x1 is what? A cos theta plus B sin theta. Let us replace the value. Okay, and whole square. This is x2, this is x1. Then plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here y2 means what? A sin theta minus b cos theta. Okay, y2. Here y2 value is a sin theta minus b cos theta minus y1. y1 value 0 whole square and is given what? Give the square root sign here. Root over s or no? Yes or no? Root over yes. Okay. So, understand? Let us simplify. Okay. You see 0 minus of a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. That is equal to, it will be minus of a cos theta plus b sin theta what? Whole square. Plus, similarly here a sin theta minus b theta minus b cos theta minus 0 means whole square. Yes or no? Yes or no? And root over here. You see now, here minus of a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Here power a is even number, so its negative base is negative value will be positive. That's why it will be a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Here you remove the negative sign. Understand? Okay, root over. Is it clear? See, minus of a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square, because of the power is 2, which is a even number, so the base is negative, so the value will be positive value. So remove the negative sign, here the value becomes positive. Then you expand it using the formula of a plus b whole square. A cos theta plus b sin theta equal to a plus b whole square, which is a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab, yes, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. This part is over. A cos theta plus b sin theta whole square is equal to a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta. This is in accordance with a plus b whole square, formula of a plus b whole square. Similarly, here a minus b whole square, you can expand it using the formula a sin theta whole square, which is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta and minus 2ab sin theta and cos theta. Okay, this is in accordance with the formula a minus b whole square. Okay, understand? So after that you see the plus 2ab sin theta cos theta and minus 2ab sin theta cos theta, can you cancel? You give the square root sign here. Understand? Okay. Then you see a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. If you bring the common a square, so a square whole into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Yes or no? Similarly, b square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Here b square is the factor, common factor, so we can take the common factor as b square and it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta root over. Understand? So root over you can give, sin root over sin. Okay. Now you see cos square theta plus sin square theta value in what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? Yes. Okay. The value is 1. All of you know. Yes. So here in place of cos square theta plus sin square theta value will be 1 and the resulting value will be a square plus, okay, here b square. Similarly, you see now sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So it will be b square multiplied 1 is b square root over. Understand? Hence we got the distance between the two given points AB is equal to a square plus b square root over. Okay. So here is the correct option is what? D is the correct option. All of you understand? Okay. Your option D is the correct option. Understand? So this is the distance between the 2 points, okay, whose coordinates are given. This is how you have to find out. Okay, just you observe it, follow it. Okay, I am discussing the next question for you. Question number 2 for you. Here is another interesting questions for you. Okay, here the question is that if x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0 is a median of the triangle whose vertices are with points A whose coordinate is minus 1, 3 and the point B, vertex B whose coordinate is 0, 4 and the vertex C minus 5, 2. Then the value of k. Then the value of k is option A is 8, option B is 2, option C is 4 and option D is 6. It means the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle are given and a median is given. Okay, you have to find out the value of k. Okay, here x minus 2y plus k is the median. Look at the question. X minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. Okay, understand? So since the three vertices of a triangle given and the median of triangle given, and we know the centroid of the triangle lies on the median. Yes or no? So here you find out centroid. Here ABC is the three vertices of triangle. Okay, let's see. Here the A is the vertex, coordinate is what? Minus 1, 3. And another vertex B, whose coordinate is 0, 4. Yes or no? And third vertex C, whose coordinate is minus 5, 2. Okay. And here x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. This is the three vertices of triangle. Understand or not? Here A, B and C. So vertex is what? x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Is it clear? So we have to find out the centroid because the median of the triangle given, and we know that the centroid of triangle lies on the median. So what is the centroid of triangle? So according to the formula, the centroid of the triangle ABC, the centroid of the median, centroid, the centroid of median is denoted by what? Capital letter G, whose formula is what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Yes or no? All of you know. So use the value of x1. Here x1 is minus 1. Here plus x2 is 0. Plus x3 is minus 5. Yes or no? Divide by 3. Okay. y1 is 3. Plus y2 is 4. Plus y3 is 2. Divide by 3. Understand? You see here minus 1, minus 5. This is minus 6 by 3. Minus 1, minus 5. Okay. Then 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9 upon 3. Is it clear? Yes? 3 plus 4 to 7, 9 upon 3. That is called to. And if you cancel, it will be minus 2, 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9 is minus 3. And this is the centroid of triangle. This is the centroid of the triangle and centroid of the triangle. Okay, of the median of the. Okay, we know that the centroid lies on the median. So G lies on, since the centroid lies on the median. On the median, which median? The median is x minus, whose equation is given. Median whose equation is x minus 2y plus k. Okay, median is a line whose equation is given x minus 2y plus k. Okay, so you can use. So since the point G lies on the median, so for x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3, the equation must be satisfied. The equation must be satisfied. Yes or no? The equation must be satisfied. Okay. So here, now putting the values here, we can write the centroid of median G is xy, whose x is equal to minus 2 and x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is 3. Now let us see if you use x minus 2y. In place of x, I can write minus 2. You see here, in place of x, I will write minus 2 minus 2 into In place of y, I will write what? What will I write? 3 I will write. Okay. Plus k is equal to 0. That implies minus 2. 2 3 is 6 plus k is equal to 0. That implies minus 8 plus k is equal to 0. That implies k is equal to 8. And this is the required value of the given questions. Okay. This is what you have to find out. Hence k is equal to, your value of k is what? 8. So which is the correct option here? So A is the correct option. Understand or not? Okay. Okay. So option A. So option A is the correct option. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. Just to follow it. Thank you. Okay, next question for you. Question number 3 I am discussing here. And the question number 3 is that if P, a point P whose coordinate x 9a minus 2, x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is minus b. Okay, the point P divides the line segment joining the point A and B in the ratio 3:1. Then what are the value of A and B? Okay, here the coordinate of P is given. Okay, whose x coordinate is 9a minus 2 is given. You see the question here. The x coordinate of the point P is 9a minus 2 and the y coordinate is minus b. Okay, so the point P divides the line segment joining the point A whose x coordinate is 3a plus 1, y coordinate is minus 3, and the point B whose x coordinate is 8a and the y coordinate is 5 in the ratio 3:1. Okay, so what are the values of A and B? Okay, here the options are given. Let us see which is the correct option for you. Okay, here you see now clearly, here A is a point and B is a point. 2 points are given. A and B are the 2 points, and the coordinate of A is 3a plus 1 minus 3. Yes or no? And it is 8a. This is 8a 5. To point B whose coordinate x coordinate is 8a and the y coordinate is b. Okay, and this line segment, the point P, here the point P whose point coordinate is given what? X coordinate is given 9a minus 2 and y coordinate is given minus b. Okay, and divides the line segment in the ratio 3:1. In the ratio 3:1. Okay, let's see, find the values of A and B. Okay, here the point P, yes or no, divides the line segment AB is in the ratio what? 3:1. 3:1. So here M value is 3 and N value is 1 here. Okay, understand? And here the coordinate of A is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, understand? Is it clear? Okay, now see, we know the internal section formula. The point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1 internally. So according to the if the internal section formula, okay, then you can easily understand here the x coordinate of the point P. X coordinate of the point P is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Yes or no? And the value of x given what? 9a minus 2. Yes or no? So that implies here the value of m is what? 3. So you can write in place of m. You see the m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 1. Okay? N is equal to 1. Let us write properly. So m value 3. So 3 into here x2 value. What is the value of x2? X2 value given what? 8a. This is x1. This is x2. Here x1 is 3a plus 1. x1 is 3a plus 1 and x2 is 8a. So here 8a plus n means what? Value of 1. N is 1. Okay. So x1 is what? x1 is what? 3a plus 1. Yes or no? Divided by what? m plus n. m plus n. So it is equal to 9a minus 2. Here in place of m we can write what? M value 3. So n value 1. So 3 plus 1 we can write. Okay, understand? So it is 3 8 is 24a plus 3a plus 1. Understand? Divided by 3 plus 1 4 is equal to 9a minus 2. So can you solve and find out the value of x? Yes? Okay. So 24a plus 3a how much? Let's see. 3 8 is 24a and this is 3a plus 1. So 24a plus 3a, that is equal to 27a. That implies it is 27a. 27a plus 1 is equal to what? 4 transfer to the right side. It will be 4 whole into 9a minus 2. Okay. Understand? So that implies, you see here, 27a plus 1 is equal to 4 9 is 36. Remove the bracket. Minus 4 2 is 8. Okay. Understand? So you get here, that implies 27a minus 36a is equal to how much? You see here, minus 8 minus 1. This 36a will be transposed to the left hand side. It will be minus 36a. So minus 8 and plus 1 will transpose from the right side to left side. Plus 1 will be minus 1. So here 27 minus 36 is equal to minus 9a. Yes or no? Minus 9a is equal to minus 9. And here minus 9a will be plus 9a. And minus 9 will be plus 9. So here 9 will be cancelled. The value will be 1. Hence a value is 1. The value of a is equal to 1. Understand? So we get the value of a is 1. Okay. By comparing their corresponding x coordinate. By comparing their corresponding what? X coordinate. So here we got the value of a is 1. Here a value got 1. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? So if x p is the xy here, let's see. So since the point P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 3:1, so x coordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, where the value of x coordinate of the point P is already given, minus is given 9a minus 2. So mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n is equal to, in place of x I can write 9a minus 2. So it will be 3 8 2. Okay. So mx2 plus nx1, here the value of m is 3. The value of m is 3 and value of n is 1. By putting the right value, we shall, after calculation, we shall get a value is 1. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. Similarly, let me find the value of b. Value of b means, value of b indicates which coordinate? Y coordinate. Here y coordinate is minus b. The y coordinate of the point P is minus p, means y value is minus p. Okay. Similarly, using the internal section formula, okay, for the x coordinate of the point P. Can you find out the value of b here? Yes? Okay, let's see here. Okay. Now you see the coordinate of the point P. Here y value given how much? Y value given minus b. And the coordinate of y is what? my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. According to internal section formula, it is minus b. So that implies m value, the value of m is 3. Here the value of m is 3. Okay. So 3 into y2. Here y2 value what? Here y1 is minus 3 and y2 is 5. So in place of y2 I can write 5. Okay. Again, n value what? What is the value of n? The value of n is 1. Okay. So 1 into y1. Here y1 means what? This y value 1. What is the value of y1 here? Okay. Is minus 3. Yes or no? So minus 3. Because of the negative number, write in the bracket. Okay. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And which is equal to minus b. That implies minus b is equal to 3 5 is 15. Minus 3 divided by 4. Here it will be 15 minus 3 is 12 upon 4 is equal to 3. Understand? So minus b is equal to 3, then b is equal to minus 3. b is equal to minus 3. So we got a value 1 and b is equal to minus 3. Hence, okay, we got a value 1 and b value minus 3. So here a value 1 and b is equal to minus 3. Yes, which is the correct option? So here a is the correct option. So option A. Is it clear? So option A is the correct option. Understand? Okay. So here we solve this. We find the values of A and B using the internal section formula. Okay. And you know the internal section formula, the x coordinate of the is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, the x coordinate of the point P, okay, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1, and the y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is very important formula, okay, all of you remember. Okay, understand? Okay, next question, question number 4. Okay, another interesting question and most important question, also an easy question from your NCERT book also. Okay, here I am discussing. And here the question is that if the points, okay, whose coordinates 6, 1 and another points whose coordinate is 8, 2, third point whose coordinate is what? 9, 4, and the fourth point, fourth vertex P3 whose coordinate is P3 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then the value of P is what? It means the 4 vertices of parallelogram are given in order given. Okay, understand? And you have to find out the value of P. Okay, here 4 vertices of a parallelogram given. Let us draw a parallelogram first. Understand? Let us draw a parallelogram. Okay, here given the vertex A is what? 6 minus 1. Here vertex B whose coordinate is 8, 2. And here C is another vertex whose coordinate is what? Whose coordinate is what? 9, 4. And D is the fourth vertex whose coordinate is P3. We have to find the value of P. Okay, understand? Okay. And students, all of you know the fourth vertex of a parallelogram are given, means it is a parallelogram, and all of you know the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at any angle. This is most of the important properties of the parallelogram. Okay, this is one of the important properties of the parallelogram. All of you know the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at any angle. Okay. So here AC is the diagonal. Let us draw the diagonal AC by joining the point A and C. Similarly, BD is the diagonal by joining the point B and D, here intersecting each other at the point O, and we know the diagonal bisect each other. So this point is O type. And the diagonal BD and AC are bisected each other. It means AC, the diagonal AC bisect BD. It means O is the midpoint of what? BD. It means BO is equal to DO. Similarly, the diagonal BD also bisect AC at the point O. It means AO is equal to CO. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Now you see, we know that, write down, we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at any angle, bisect each other. Yes or no? That implies AC bisect means the diagonal BD bisect what? BC bisect the diagonal AC at the point O. That implies O is the midpoint of the diagonal AC. Yes or no? So using the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? The coordinate of midpoint what? x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2, all of you know. And that is equal to, Here AC, you see here diagonal AC is the diagonal, and here O is the point, midpoint. AO is equal to what? CO. The coordinate of A is 6, 1, and the coordinate of C is what? 9, 4. Look at carefully. The coordinate of A is 6, 1, and the coordinate of C is what? 9, 4. So this can be considered as x1, y1, and this is what? x2, y2. Okay, so here x1 plus x2, in place of x1 can I write 6, here x2 value is 9 by 2, and here y1 value is 1 plus y2 value is 4 by 2. Understand, this is the coordinate of, hence we got the coordinate of 15 upon 2, 5 by 2. If AC is the if O is the midpoint of the diagonal AC, then the coordinate of O is 15 by 2 and 5 upon 2. Okay, understand? Yes, 6 plus 9, 15 by 2. Once again check. Here y1 plus y2, y1 value 1, y2 value 4, 1 plus 4 by 2. Okay. Similarly, the diagonal also SC bisect BD at the point O. Similarly, okay, the diagonal AC bisect BD at the point O, and O is the midpoint of what? O is the midpoint of what? BD. Understand? So coordinate of O using the midpoint formula, same formula we can apply here for the diagonal BD. For diagonal BD, let's see. Here you see BD is the diagonal. Understand? Here this is the point B, suppose this is the point D, and this is the midpoint O. The diagonal of B is given, coordinate of B is given 8, 2. Okay? And the coordinate of B is given what? P2. X coordinate is P and the Y coordinate is 2. So using the midpoint formula, here this is what? X1, this is Y1. Yes or no? And this is X2 and this is Y2 of the point D and B. Okay? So here X1 value what? P. Can I write P plus what is the value of x2? In place of x2 can you write 8 by 2 divided by y1 plus y2. Here y1 is 2 plus y2 is 2 by 2. Understand? And this is coordinate what? P plus 8 by 2 and 4 by 2 is 2. And this is the second point we got. Here since O is the midpoint of AC, the coordinate of O is 15 by 2 and 5 by 2. And since O is the midpoint of BD, diagonal BD, so coordinate of A is P plus 8 by 2 and 2. And we know since the coordinate of the point A is the same point, so they must have the same coordinate. Okay, so the point A should have must have the same coordinate. So we can compare the 15 by 2, 5 by 2 is equal to what? P plus 8 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. So on comparing their corresponding x coordinate, look at here, you see coordinate of P plus 8 upon 2 is equal to coordinate of what? From the equation to 15 upon 2. 5 upon 2. So can you compare their corresponding x coordinate? And comparison will get what? P plus 8 upon 2. Yes. P plus 8 upon 2. Yes. Is equal to 15 upon 2 by comparing their corresponding x coordinate. So 2 will be cancelled. So that implies P plus 8 is equal to 15. Understand? And P is equal to what? 15 minus 8 is 7. And the value of is, thus we get the value of P. What is the value of P you got? So the value of P is 7. Okay. And here the option is C is the correct option. Yes or no? Yes, option C is the correct option. Understand? Hence P is equal to 7. Hence option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Understand? So this is an NCERT question from your book. All of you know. Once again revise. Okay. Okay. My next question is question number 5. I am going to discuss here. Here the question in front of you. Okay. Let's see the question. And if the point A, whose coordinate is 4, 3, and the point B with coordinate x5 are on the circle with center O, whose coordinate is 2, 3, then the value of x is, okay, the option A is 1, the option B is 2, the option C is 3, and the option D is -2. You have to find out. Okay, understand? Here you see the point A, okay, coordinate is 4, 3, and the point B whose coordinate is x5 are on the circle, and the center of the circle is given. Understand? So this is the circle. Understand? And this is the center of the circle. Let's see, the O is the center of circle. And what is the coordinate of center of circle given? 2 and 3. X coordinate is 2 and Y coordinate is 3. And there are 2 points on the circle. One point is A, other point is B. Okay, and the coordinate of A is 4, 3 given, and the coordinate of B is x5 given. Understand or not? Okay, so what is the value of x? Okay, and students, you will join this will be radius. OA and OB are the radius. Okay, and we know the radius of circles are equal. Okay, we know that since O is the center of circle and OA is equal to OB, OA is equal to OB, and that implies OA square is equal to OB square using the distance formula. Okay, now you say OA square, if you will take this one x1 y1, this is x2 y2, so 4 minus 2 whole square plus, and here 3 minus 3 whole square. This is the distance of A square. Similarly, the distance OB is x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. Understand or not? Okay. So look at here, 4 minus 2 whole square is 2 raised square 4. Here 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 raised square is 9 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 3, 2 raised square, how much? 4. Okay, that implies x minus 2 whole square plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 4 is 13. Yes or no? So that implies x minus 2 whole square is equal to 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 can you transpose, and it is 9. Yes or no? So x minus 2 is equal to how much? X minus 2 is equal to plus minus 9 root over, which is plus minus 3. So that implies x is equal to 2 plus minus 3. That is equal to 2 plus 3. Okay, or x is equal to 2 minus 3. So, okay. So here get x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, the x value 5 and x is equal to minus 1. 1 second, check 1 second. Okay, you see now OA square is equal to OB square. You see now 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus, here 3 minus 3 whole square, students. 3 minus 3 whole square. Understand? Here 4 minus 2 whole square and 3 minus 3 whole square. Oh. Understand? So it is a mistaken, students. Just to rectify it. 4 minus 2 whole square, 3 minus 3 whole square. Here this is okay, and this is x1, this is 3 minus 3 whole square. Okay, so 3 minus 3 whole square, it will be 0. Understand? Similarly, x minus 2 whole square and 5 minus 3 whole square. Okay, and here x minus 2 whole square plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 0 is 4 here. Let us check here. Understand? So x minus 2 whole square is equal to how much? 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Let us Let us rectify the mistake, students. So here x minus 2 whole square will be 4 minus 2 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. So 2 is the correct option here. Here 2 is the correct option. Understand? Is it clear? Once again see. Once again see. So you see now B is the correct option here. Understand? So here we mistaken, students, and here the values of OA square means here 4 minus 2 and 3 here what? 3 minus 3 it should be. So 4 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square, and here x minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square. So 4 minus 2 is 4, 2 raw square 4, 3 minus 3 0, and x minus 2 whole square 5 minus 3, 2 raw square 4. So x minus 2 whole square plus 4 is equal to 4. So 4 will be cancelled. Okay, and x minus 2 whole square will be 0, x minus 2 is equal to 2, 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay, so here and B is the correct option. Okay, here B is the correct option. It was a mistake. Okay, extremely sorry for that. So whenever you are using the value should be used properly. If it is mistaken, then you will see. So you need to check the answer. Okay, so here B is the correct option. Okay, it's a very simple question, but the value, whenever you are using the value, students, so just check it. Once again, you check your calculation. Okay, is it clear? Understand? Okay. Okay, follow it. Thank you. Okay, next question. Question number 6 for you. Another interesting question for you. Here is the question in front of you. Let's read. The point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the point A with coordinate 6, 5 and the point B with coordinate minus 4, 3 is option A 9, 0, option B 0, 9, option C 0, 5 and option D 0, minus 2. Okay, here you have to find out the coordinate of the point lies on the y-axis which is equidistant from the two given points whose coordinates are given. Understand? Here the required point lies on the y-axis. So let the point P, let the required point be Pxy whose coordinate is xy. Understand? Let the required point be B, and since the point you know any point lies on the y-axis, its x coordinate is always 0. Yes or no? Any point lies on the y-axis, its x coordinate is always 0 and the y coordinate is any real number. Okay, all of you know. Okay, since the point P lies on which axis? Y-axis. Okay, so the coordinate of the point P, what? X value always 0, y value any real number. Here x value is already 0 and we have to find out the values of y, then we can find out the required point. Understand? And this point P is equidistant. Again, given that P is equidistant, condition is given, the P is equidistant from A and B. Yes or no? The point P is equidistant from A and B. So that implies what happened? AP is equal to what? BP. That implies AP square is equal to BP square. Okay, so AP square means distance from LIOs. Here you see now, here this is the point P whose coordinate is 0 xy, 0 y. Here the A point and B point are equidistant. Okay, here A point and B point are equidistant. Here and A coordinate is given what? 6, 5 and B coordinate is given what? Minus 4, 3. Understand? So AP is equal to BP. That's why AP square is equal to BP square using the distance formula. What is the distance? AP square. What is the distance of AP? X2 minus X1. What is the distance formula? All of you know. X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Using this formula. So here AP is what? Suppose this is X1 Y1. This is X2 Y2. Or if this is X1 Y1. This is X2 Y2. So difference between the X coordinate here 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0 whole square plus or 5 minus y whole square. Can you write or not? Similarly, minus 4 minus 0 here x1 y1, suppose x2 y2, or it is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so you can write difference between the x coordinate minus 4 minus 0, minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. Yes or no? Understand? So you see now 6 square is 36, 6 minus 0 is 6, plus you see 5 minus y can be written also y minus 5 whole square. Because the power is even number, so 5 minus y may be equal to y minus 5 whole square. Here minus 5 minus 0 minus 4 whole square, what? 16. Here 3 minus y whole square written also y minus 3 whole square. Understand? Okay. So here using the concept 36, you see here, understand here 6 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus y whole square minus 4 minus 0 whole square and 3 minus y whole square. So 6 minus 0 is 6 square 36, 5 minus y may be written y minus 5 whole square. So minus 4 minus 0 means minus 4 means 16 minus 4 whole square 16. So 3 minus y may be written y minus whole square. Okay, so you see now. Okay, so y now use the formula y minus 5 whole square is that a minus b whole square formula a square plus b square means 25 minus 10y minus 2ab. Similarly 16 plus y square okay plus 3 the square 9 minus 6y minus 6xy. Okay, now you see here plus y square in the left hand side and plus y square on the right hand side we can cancel. Understand? Okay, let us transpose. Here you see now minus 10y. So plus 36 plus 25. How much? 6 plus 5 11 carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6 61. Yes or no? 6 plus 5 11 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6. So minus 10y plus 61 is equal to minus 6y plus 16 plus 19 how much? 25. Yes or no? Is it correct? Okay, check your calculation students. So minus 10y, then minus 6y will be transposed to the left hand side, it will be plus 6y. So 25 minus 61. 25 minus 61. Understand? So minus 10y plus 6y. Okay, let's see now. Is it correct? So minus 6y plus minus 6y. Minus 10y plus 6y. It will be minus 4y. That implies minus 4y is equal to 25 minus 61. It will be minus 11 minus 5 is 6 and 5 minus 2 is 3. This is minus 36. Okay. So that implies minus 4y is equal to minus 36. So this variable side becomes negative. So minus 4y, can you change the sign? It will be plus 4y. And if minus 4y will be plus 4y, similarly minus 36 will change the sign and its minus 36 will be plus 36. And after cancellation 4 9 so y value how much? Y is equal to 9. Okay. Hence the required point. X value 0, y value 9 and 0 9. So correct option is what? B is the correct option. Here option B is the correct option. Understand? B is the correct option. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. So dear students, here I am discussing similar type of problem to the previous question, and here you have to find out the relation. Find the relation between x and y such that the point pxy are equidistant from the two given points A, whose coordinate 3, 6, and point B, which coordinates minus 3, 4. Okay, let's see the the relationship between the x and y. We have to find out the relation between the x and y such that the point pxy is equidistant from the points A and B, okay, where the coordinate of A and B are given. Okay, understand? So here you see the point P is equidistant. Here P is a point and here A is another point. Given point is given, A is a point and B is a two given point. A and B are the two given point, and the coordinate of A is given. Yes or no? So coordinate of A is what? Is 3, 6, and that of coordinate of B is minus 3, 4. Okay, and the coordinate of P is xy. You have to find the relationship between x and y. What is the relation between x and y? Here we see if P is equal to what? BP. PA is equal to PB. Understand or not? Okay, it is given that what is given? The P is equidistant from A and B. From A and B. That implies, you say now PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to what? PB. That implies PA square is equal to PB square. So using the distance formula, what is the distance formula you can use here? Yes. So distance formula is equal to x2 minus x1. Difference between the x coordinate whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So root over. Because already we have squaring of the both side has been squared, so square root symbol will be removed. So we can use PA square. Here P coordinate x1, xy and A coordinate 3, 6, A coordinate 3, 6. Okay. So you can write x minus 3, difference between the x coordinate whole square, plus difference between the y coordinate whole square, y minus 6 whole square. Yes or no? So square root sign we should not give. Okay. Similarly, PB square, similarly x minus or minus 3, it will be plus 3. Plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay. So if we simplify this, we shall get the desired relationship between x and y. Let's see. So x minus 3 whole square, it will be x square plus 3 whole square 9 minus 3 to just 6, 6. Similarly y square, yes or no, plus 6 whole square 36 minus 2 6 are 12y. Okay, here we are using identity a minus b whole square. Okay, similarly you see now y plus 3 whole square, x square plus b square means 3 square is 9 plus 3 2 is 6x. Similarly plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Okay, y square 4 square 16 minus 8y. Right. Okay, understand? Then the next you see the plus x square on the left hand side and plus x square on the right hand side. Okay, we can cancel. Here plus y square on the left hand side and plus y square on the right hand side we can cancel. After that you will arrange. Let us arrange here. According to the variable, let us write minus 6x. Okay, minus 12y. 9 plus 9 plus 36, let us arrange. Similarly equal to, okay, understand? Similarly right side what? 6x minus 8y plus 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 16. Yes or no? Can you arrange? Understand? And you see here again you plus 9 on the left hand side, plus 9 on the right hand side, also you can cancel here. Understand? Okay, so it will be minus 6x and here this plus 6x will be minus 6x minus 12y and this, okay, you see the minus 8y will be plus 8y, yes or no? Then plus 36 and plus 16 will be minus 16 is equal to 0, yes or no? Look at again once again, minus 6x, this plus 6x on the right side will be transposed to the left hand side, it will be minus 6x, here in the left hand side minus 12y, similarly minus 8y will be transposed to the left hand side, it will be, sign will change, it will be plus 8y, all of you know, and plus 36, here plus 16 on the right hand side, after transposing it will be minus 16, okay. So you see now, minus 6x, it is what? Minus 12x, minus 12y plus 4y plus 8y, it will be minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4y, okay. 36 minus 16 it will be 20, yes or no? Equal to 0, understand? Yes, okay. So that's implies, can you bring the common minus 4? After bringing the common minus 4, it will be 3x, it will be plus y, and it will be minus 4, minus 5, it will be minus 5. So because we are taking 12 from 12, 4 has been taken, it will be 3x, it will be minus 4 already taken, it will be plus y, and from plus 20 we have taken minus 4, it will be minus 5, and it is 0, understand? Okay, yes, is it understood? So after that you see, look at here, so this minus 4 will transpose to the right hand side, it will be 0 divided by minus 4, so 0 divided by minus 4 what? 0, okay. So finally we get 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 divided by minus 4, okay. What is the value? 0 or not? So that implies 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So 3x plus y is equal to 5 is the required relationship between x and y, okay. And which is the correct option here? Yes, so here C is the correct option, so option C is the correct option, okay. All of you understand? Okay, next question for you. Here is another simple question, okay. Another interesting question or also important question, okay, frequently come, okay, in the exam, okay. Let's see. And the question is that, question number 8 I am discussing now. If the coordinate AB is the midpoint of the line segment joining the point A with coordinate 10 minus 6 and point B with coordinate K4, okay, and A minus 2B is equal to 18, one relation is given, one condition is given, A minus 2B is equal to 18, then you would find out the value of K. And here the option is given, the option is 40, option B is 4, option C is 22, and option D is 30. Let's see which is the correct option, let's see, okay. Let us find the solution, and it is given that the AB is the midpoint of the line segment joining the point A and B. Here you see A is a point and B is a point, okay. And the coordinate of A is what? 10 minus 6, yes or no? And the coordinate B is what? K4. And if you will join, we will get a line segment AB. And here let P be the midpoint of the AB whose coordinate is AB given, okay. And let P is the midpoint of AB whose coordinate is AB, understand or not, okay. So here P is the, here given what? P is the midpoint, P is the midpoint of line segment AB, midpoint line segment AB, understand or not, okay. So here since P is the midpoint, you can use the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint? Coordinate of midpoint, coordinate of midpoint what? Yes, all of you know what? x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. All of you know? Okay. x1 plus x2 upon 2. Okay, y coordinate is y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the coordinate of midpoint of AB. Okay. Here we can take here, you see, suppose this is x1 and this is y1. Here if this is x2, this is y2, and this point is x, this point is y. Okay. So here the coordinate of A, the coordinate of is what? x1 plus x2 upon 2. And that is equal to x1 value given 10, yes or no, plus x2 value given k by 2. Okay, that implies A is equal to 10 plus k by 2. A is equal to 10 plus k by 2. Yes or no? This is the first condition. Suppose A value, the coordinate of A we got. Similarly, the coordinate of B is what? y1 plus y2 upon 2. Yes or no? Here y1 means what? Here y1 value, what the value of y1 is minus 6. Okay. Then y2 value what? 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. So here B is equal to minus 1. So this is the B value we got. Okay. And its condition is given that, is it clear all of you? Yes. So A value is 10 plus k upon 2 and B value is minus 1. Yes, B value is minus 1. Then you can use these values of A and B in the given condition. What is the given condition? The given condition is that A minus 2B is equal to 18. Given. So in place of A, write down, it is what? 10 plus k upon 2 minus 2 into B, the value is minus 1 is equal to 18. Yes or no? Understand? Okay. Yes. And similarly 10 plus k, that implies 10 plus k upon 2. Here minus 2, 10 plus k upon 2, minus 2 into minus 1, it will be minus and minus plus, and 2 1 is 2, it will be plus 2 is equal to 18. That implies 10 plus k upon 2 is 18 minus 2 is equal to 16. So 10 plus k, that implies 10 plus k is equal to how much? 16 2 is 32, and that implies k is equal to 32 minus 10. It is 22. The value is 20. Hence we got k is equal to 22. Okay. So if k is equal to 22, here you can get, here the correct option is what? Hence k is equal to 22 and option C. Option C is the correct option. Understand? Okay. So C is the correct option. Okay. This is another simple question using the condition. Okay. And using the concept of the coordinate of midpoint formula, we can solve this. Is it clear all of you? Once again see. Note down all of you. Okay. So here question number 9 I am going to discuss for you. Okay. And here the question is that if AOBC is a rectangle whose 3 vertices are, okay, A whose coordinate 0 3, okay, O with coordinate 0 0, and the B with coordinate 5 0, then the length of its diagonal is, option A is 5 unit, option B is 4 unit, option C is 34 root over unit, square root of 34 units, and option D is 3 units. Okay. Here AOBC is a rectangle with 3 coordinates are given, and you have to find out the length of the diagonal of the rectangle. Understand? And let us see, students, carefully. 3 points are given. What kind of points are given? Look at here. Let's see. Let's see here. Let us draw what? Coordinate axis here. Okay. Let us draw the coordinate axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is y-axis. Understand? Okay. Here the coordinate of 0, 0 means one of the vertex of the rectangle is at origin. Yes or no? Is at origin. Origin is given. Another given 0, 3. 0, 3 means the coordinate of h 0, 3 means the point x coordinate 0 means y coordinate 3 means the point will lies on the which axis? Y axis. Yes or no? Because you know any point lies on the y axis, its x coordinate is always 0, right? Yes or no? So here you say, suppose this point is what? 1, 2, suppose this point. Suppose this point is what? So point A is 0, 3. The point A is 0, 3. The coordinate of A is 0, 3. Okay. Understand? Then you see the coordinate of B is 5, 0. 5, 0 means what? Here you see the y coordinate is 0. See the y coordinate is 0. So the point lies on the point B will lie on the which axis? Which axis? On the x axis. So it will be what? Point 5, 0. This point is 5, 0. Okay. This is the point B and this coordinate is 5, 0. Understand? Now clearly understand, if you draw a rectangle here. So can you get a rectangle here? Yes. Yes or no? Here you get a rectangle. Okay. Here OA, this point is A, this point is okay. Here OA, this point is suppose C. Okay. So here OA CB is a rectangle. Understand? Okay. OACB you can write also. OACB is a rectangle. OACB is a rectangle. Okay. Now you have to find out the diagonal of the rectangle, and clearly you see the length of this is what? 5 units. The OB length is 5 units and OA length is what? OA length is 3 units. OA length is 3 units. And this is the rectangle, diagonal rectangle. AB is the diagonal of the rectangle. AB is the diagonal. You have to find out which is the, and clearly we have to find out diagonal rectangle. Clearly this is what? OAB is a right angle triangle. Okay. Understand? So you see here, now see it here, the triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. Is a right triangle. Yes or no? So can you use the formula of, okay, here OB given how much? One of the side is given is equal to 5 units given, and here OA given how much? 3 units. So simply you can find out the, according to Pythagoras theorem, AB is equal to OB square by OA square plus OB square, the root over square root of OA square plus OB square. Yes or no? The square root of OA square plus OB square. Okay, so that implies AB is equal to, better the value of OA 3 raw square plus OB is 5 raw square, root over 3 raw square is 9, 5 raw square is 25. Yes or no? This is 25 plus 9 how much? 34 root over units. So here length of the diagonal, hence AB is equal to, hence the length of the diagonal of the rectangle is square root of 34 unit. Square root of 34 units. So your 34 units means here you see the C is the correct option, hence option C. Okay, here option C is the correct option. Understand? Is it clear? Okay, understand? Okay. Okay, next question I am discussing question number 10 for you. Okay, so here is the question is that the value of lambda for which the point with coordinate 0, 0, another point with coordinate 3 minus root 3, and the third vertex with coordinate 3 lambda form an equilateral triangle is option A is true, option B is -3, option C is -4 and option D is none of the above. Okay, let's see three vertex are given, they form and they are the vertex of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, is or no? They are vertex of the equilateral triangle. Understand? Okay. So let us draw. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is y-axis and this is the origin. You see the one of the vertex is 0, 0. Okay. Let three vertex be. Let O 0, 0 and A 3√3 and B 3 lambda be the vertex of the equilateral triangle. Vertex x of the equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle. Understand? So if you see the vertex O, the coordinate 0, 0 means it must lies on which axis? Center. The origin. Yes or no? The vertex O lies on the origin whose coordinate is 0, 0. Okay. And here the vertex A is 3√3. Let us this point is 3√3. Whose vertex is 3√3. Vertex is 3√3. Understand? So this is an equilateral triangle. And third vertex B is coordinate is 3 lambda. Let us draw here an equilateral triangle. So let the vertex is B and whose coordinate is what? What is the coordinate? 3 lambda. Okay. So here OAB is an equilateral triangle. Here OAB is an equilateral triangle. Is an equilateral triangle. So according to the condition of the equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. So OA is equal to OB is equal to what? AB. Three sides are equal, or we will squaring on both sides. OA square, OB square is equal to OB square. So you have to use the distance formula. Now say the relations between the OA square, that implies OA square is equal to OB square. Yes or no? So using the distance formula, so what is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. Okay, the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. All of you know. So here OA distance means I can use the O coordinate 0, 0 origin. So 3 minus 0 whole square plus root 3 minus 0 whole square. Yes, root 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to OB square. And here OB square means what? Similarly, 3 minus 0 whole square plus lambda minus 0 whole square. Here using the distance formula. Okay, because we have already squared off, so the square root sign will be removed. Don't give the square root sign again. So 3 minus 0 means 3 whole square 9. Root 3 minus 0 means root 3 whole square is 3. 3 minus 0 means 3 whole square is 9 plus lambda minus 2 whole square. Understand? So you see plus 9 both sides will be cancelled. So lambda minus 2 whole square is equal to 3. Lambda minus 0, not 3. This is lambda minus 0. It is here lambda minus 0. Okay, understand? So lambda minus 0 means lambda square is equal to 3. Understand? Okay. So here OB means what? OB means 3 minus 0 whole square plus lambda minus 0, not 2, lambda minus 0. So lambda minus 0 means lambda square is equal to 3. So that implies we shall get lambda value plus minus root 3. So we get the values plus minus root 3. You see, plus minus root 3 means we can write lambda value maybe plus root 3 or maybe minus root 3. You see the clearly if you see the option, there is no such value in the any of the option. Okay, what happened? Again we have to verify, you have to check. OB square is equal to AB square. OB square is equal to AB square. Three sides are equal. So we can check again. 1 second, you have to check again. OB square is equal to AB square using the distance formula. Okay, understand? So OB square again what? You see 3 minus 0 means 3 whole square means 9 plus lambda minus 0 means lambda whole square means lambda square, and AB distance will be what? 3 minus 3 means 0 the square, 3 minus 3 the whole square plus lambda minus root 3, lambda minus root 3 the whole square. Yes or no? Understand? Okay, is it clear? Understood? Okay, let us solve with this one. Let us solve. So like clean this figure diagram. Okay, so already diagram is understood. So 9 plus lambda square, here you are getting 9 plus lambda square. 9 plus lambda square is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0 whole square 0 plus here lambda minus root 3 whole square. So that implies 9 plus lambda square. So you can lambda minus root 3 whole square, you can use the formula of a minus whole square, which is lambda square. Root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 3 lambda. Understand? So you can easily lambda square both sides will be cancelled. Okay, you can now you see the 3 minus 2 root 3 lambda is equal to 9. So that implies minus 2 root 3 lambda is equal to minus 9 minus 3 is 6. So you can again cancel also 3. So minus root 3 lambda is equal to 3. That implies lambda is equal to minus 3 divided by root 3, which is also minus root 3. You will cancel. 3 will be root 3 multiplied root 3. So root 3 will cancel. So 3 divided by root 3 will be minus root 3. Hence we get lambda another value minus root 3. Understand? Okay. So here you clearly see. You see in the first cases you got by equating OA square is equal to OB square. Lambda we get plus minus root 3. Again by equating OB square is equal to AB square, we get the lambda value minus root 3, and clearly we shall get, okay, and here the values of lambda are not in any of the option. See, option A is 2, option B is minus 3, and option C is 4. So clearly it is understood the option D is the correct option. Answer is none of these. Okay, understand? Okay, so here remember lambda value is root 3 and minus root 3, hence option is what? D is the correct option. Option is D. Understand? Option is D. Is it clear? Okay students, all of you. Okay. So next question I am discussing, question number 11 for you, and the question is that if the centroid of the triangle formed by the points, okay, with the vertex P whose coordinate is AB, vertex Q whose coordinate is BC, and the vertex R whose coordinate is CA is at the origin, then AQ plus BQ plus AQ is equal to, the option A is given 0, option B is 3ABC, option C is ABC, and option D is A plus B plus C. It means the three vertices of triangles are given and the centroid of triangle form at the origin. Okay. So what is centroid of triangle? All of you know. What is centroid of triangle? Yes. The centroid of the triangle is the point of intersection of the median. It means three median intersect each other at the origin of the triangle. Understand? Okay. Understand? So 3 points are given of the triangle. You see one point is P, AB. Second point is Q of the triangle whose coordinate is BC, and third vertex is R whose coordinate is CA. Understand? Suppose this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Yes or no? And here it is given that the centroid of the triangle formed at the origin. The centroid is at origin. Understand? It means the coordinate of G what? What is the coordinate of G? Centroid is known as coordinate of G, capital G. The centroid of G what? Must be 0, 0, 0, 0. According to the formula, centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, all of you know, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 Open 3, all of you know. Yes or no? Now if you compare that implies, you see now, you see here x1 is a plus x2 is b plus b plus x3 is c divided by almost 3. Similarly y1 will be b plus c plus a divided by 3 is equal to 0 0 is equal to 0 0. Now let's compare their x coordinate. Yes or no? Now you see a plus b plus c by 3 is equal to 0. So that implies a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Understand? A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Then you have to find out the values of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. What is the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? Okay. And student, remember class 9, there is an identity in the class 9 already you know. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we know that, since we know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what do you know? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3abc. Okay. So here we find out a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So here we got our required expression. Here b is the correct option. Hence a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Understand? So b is the correct option. Option B. Option B. Understand? So option B is the correct option. Okay. Understand? Okay. Okay, next question is another interesting question I am going to discuss. Okay, and here you will find internal section formula, also you will find external section formula. Okay, of course external section formula is not in the syllabus. First I try to learn something else using the external section formula. Okay, and here is the question. You have to use this question. We have to using this internal section and external section formula. We have to solve this problem. Okay, let's see the problem first. The points on the line through the point A, whose vertex 5 minus 4, and B with coordinate minus 3 2. Okay, that are twice as far as from A and B are given. The given options are already clear to you. Okay, we have to find out the points on the line that is passing through the 2 points A and B whose coordinates are given. Understand? And such a manner that points are twice as far as from A and B. Okay, see here you see the diagram first of all. Okay, here you see, and here A is a point. Yes or no? A is a point, and what is the coordinate is given? 5 minus 4, and B another point. What is the coordinate of B? Is minus 3 2. So here a line drawn through the point AB. Okay, here you draw a line, not line segment, line. And there is another point to find the coordinate of the points P such a way that, okay, that points which twice as far as from A and B. Suppose let P be a point. Here the point P lies in between A and B. The point may be an interior point, or the point may be an exterior point. So here using the internal section and external section formula here. Understand? Here P is an interior point of AB. So you have to use what? Internal section formula. Here the point Q lies on the exterior part of the line segment AB. Okay, so here use external section formula. The point P divides the line segment AB into 2 parts such that the point P is twice as far as from A and B. Here the point Q divides the line segment AB in such that, okay, the point Q is twice as far as from A and B. Understand? Let's consider one by one. Okay, here you see the point P, suppose the coordinate xy lies on the line segment AB internally. lies between, lies in AB, okay, and lies between AB you can write also, lies between A and B, lies between A and B. So the point P divides AB internally, okay, and the point P is twice as far as from A and B, okay, that implies point P divides internally, yes or no, the line segment AB, understand, and the point B is twice, the distance of the point P is twice as, okay, that from the distance P, that means AP by BP must be equal to 2 by 1, understand, okay, that means AP is the twice of BP, AP is the twice of BP means AP, you see, AP is the twice of BP, AP is the twice of what? BP, that implies AP is equal to what? Twice of BP, that implies AP upon BP is equal to 2 by 1, okay, or 2:1. That means AP is to BP is equal to 2:1, okay. Here AP is to BP, AP is to BP, understand. If AP is equal to, see here, if A is a point and B is a point and P, here AP is equal to 2 and BP is equal to 1, here M value 2, N value 1, okay. So what is the coordinate of point P? So the x coordinate of the point P, x coordinate of the point P, we have to use internal section formula. According to internal section formula, it is mx2, all of you know, by plus nx1 by m plus n, yes or no? M plus n, understand? Here this is A value, suppose you are taking the coordinate of A is what? 5 minus 4, and here coordinate of B is what? Minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, yes or no? Okay, so here x1, this is y1, and here x2, this is y2, understand? So here coordinate of P is equal to mx2, here m value 2 into x2 value how much? Minus 3, plus n value what? 1 into x1 value what? 5, divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, and that is equal to minus 6 plus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So x coordinate of point P we got minus 1 upon 3, understand, okay. So here we got the point P, x coordinate already got, x value got minus 1 upon 3. Similarly the y coordinate of the point P, okay, x, y, okay. So y coordinate of the point P, let's find out, understand? This is clear up to this, okay, understand? So x value, what is the x coordinate of the point P? Is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, okay, understand? Student, one thing, one interesting thing you see the option, you see the x coordinate is coming minus 1 by 3, okay, and again you have to find out the coordinate of point P, which is y, okay, that is known as y coordinate. Now we have to find out y coordinate of point P, we have to find out. So there are two such points, one point is lies internally, another point is lies externally. So the point P, 2 points lies on the line passing through the point A and B, okay. So is it clear? Okay, next point you see what is the y coordinate of the point P. Let's see the y coordinate. Now you see the y coordinate of the point P. What is the y coordinate? You can put formula my2 plus ny1 by what? M plus n. All of you know. The y coordinate of the point P is the point P divides internally a line segment AB. Then its y coordinate is, what is the y coordinate? my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay. So that is equal to, here the value of m is 2 into y to the value how much? Here y1 is minus 4. Y1 is minus 4. It is minus 4. Write properly. minus 4. And here y2 value 2. So you can write in place of y2, write 2 plus n value 1. So y value what? Minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3. Here m value 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So is equal to what? 2 plus 2, 4 minus 4 by 3. 4 minus 4 by 3 is equal to what? 0 coming. That value is coming 0. Okay. So y value coming what? 0. So we got y value 0. Y value 0. So we got the coordinate of the point P. Okay. So we got the coordinate of point P. So P coordinate what? The x value minus 1 upon 3 and y value 0. So we got the coordinate of the point P. Okay. And there is, student, another point also, the point Q. The point Q lies on the what? On the line which divides the line segment AB externally. Understand? And the distance of the point Q from A and B is the twice distance of the point Q. Okay. From A and B is the twice as far as distance from the point B. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Look at the question. Look at the figure you see. Okay. Understood this part? We got the coordinate of P. Let's see what is the coordinate of Q. You see now, here the point. So this part is clear. Okay, see the point Q. Here the point Q divides AB. Here the point Q divides AB what? Externally. In the ratio, and it is given that QA is equal to twice of QA. Q, distance of Q from A is twice that the distance of Q from B. It is given that twice of QB or BQ. That implies QA divided by QB is equal to 2 by 1 or 2:1. Understand? So you got QA is to QB is equal to 2:1. Here m is to n. Here m value 2, n value 1. Understand? Okay. Then, so what are the coordinate of x coordinate? Now x coordinate, the x coordinate of the point Q, we have to use external section formula. We know if a point Q divides a line segment externally in the ratio m is to n. So what is the formula x coordinate? It will be mx2 minus nx1 divided by what? M minus n. That is equal to m value what? 2 into x2 value how much? What is the value of x2? Yes, this is x1. Look at here. Here you see now. Look at the diagram first. This is the point A. This is the point B, and this is the point Q. Here A coordinate is 5 minus 4. Look at here. A coordinate 5 minus 4, and this is x1. This is y1. Here B coordinate is minus 3 2, and this is x2. This is y2. Okay, and let this coordinate is xy. Understand? So now x coordinate of the point P, mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Here m value 2, here x2 value, what is x2 value? Value of x2 is minus 3, minus n value 1, and x1 value how much? 5, divided by m minus n, 2 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 6 minus 5 by 1 is equal to minus 11. So here x coordinate we got, that value we got minus 11. Understand? We got x coordinate value is minus 11. Similarly, you have to find out the y coordinate. So here we got x value we got. Here you see x coordinate we got what? Minus 11. X value we got. Then you have to find out y value. What is y value? You have to find out. Okay. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Note down. So this formula also remember, the external section formula, mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. If the point Q divides the line segment joining AB, then its x coordinate of the point, that point, is mx2 minus nx1 by m plus m minus n, not m plus m minus n. Okay. Similarly, find out the what is the y coordinate of the point Q. What is the y coordinate of the point Q? Now the y coordinate of the point Q, that is the y value, is equal to my2 minus ny1. In internal section formula, only sign is the cases. In case of internal section formula, the sign will be plus. In case of external section formula, the sign is minus. Here m, okay, understand? So y value is equal to what? M value 2 into, here y2. Here y1 is minus 4, y2 is what? Minus 2. So here in place of, you write down 2 minus n value 1 into y1 value how much? Minus 4. Here you see clearly, write down y value. So what is the value of y? Is minus 4. Use this value, okay, and divide by 2 minus 1. And this is 4 minus minus plus 4 by 1. That is equal to 8. So y coordinate value what? 8. Understand? Okay. So we got the y coordinate value. This value is what? Minus 11, another one 8. Okay. Understand? Is it clear? Hence we got the q pointer coordinate. P pointer coordinate what? Coordinate of P is what? Minus 1 by 3, 0. And coordinate of Q is what? What is the coordinate of Q? Minus 11. Okay. Understand? So this is how you have to find out the points lying, passing through the 2 points on a given line. Okay. In this cases, you got some additional information. Okay. That is in case of we are applying external section formula. How to use the external section formula? Okay. And here, okay. So 2 conditions we are using. So this is the you just try to remember. Of course, it is an additional information to you, but most of the students used to practice it. Okay. Understand? Is it clear? Student, next question I am discussing here, question number 13 for you. Okay. And here the question is that, and if the point whose coordinate is xy be equidistant from the 2 points, okay, with coordinate a plus b, b minus a, and another point a minus b and a plus b, then the relationship between x and y is ax plus by is equal to 0, option A. Option B, bx minus ay is equal to 0. Option C, ax minus 2by is equal to 0. And option D, ax plus by is equal to 1. Okay. Here a point is equidistant from the 2 given point. We have to find out the desired relationship between x and y. Understand? Okay. Let us see a point. Let us take P as a point. Let us take P be a point. And another 2 points is A, another point is B. So A and B are equidistant from the point A and B. It means AP is equal to BP given, and here pair coordinate given x and y. Here the coordinate of A is given what? A plus B and B minus A. Okay, the coordinate of B is given A minus B and A plus B. Okay, and here the point whose coordinate is xy is equidistant from A and B, from 2 given points A and B. If the points are equidistant from A and B, P is equidistant from A and B, that implies AP is equal to what? BP. Or that implies AP square is equal to BP square. Yes or no? So we can use the distance formula. The distance between AP, A and B. If you think this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. It means here x minus A plus B, difference between the x coordinate whole square, plus difference between y coordinate y minus here B minus A whole square. Similarly, BP square means what? If it is BP, this is, let the coordinate of B be x1, this is y1, this is x2 and y2. So, okay, so x minus A minus B, difference between the x coordinate whole square, plus y minus A plus B whole square. Is it clear, students? Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Now let's see. Okay. Understand? So, is it clear? Now you can write x minus of a plus b whole square. Once again rewrite this sentence. Plus. Here y, can you bring minus sign from here is b minus a. You will bring minus sign and this minus sign multiply here and it will be a minus b. And this minus sign will be plus sign. So here I brought minus sign as a common factor. Here minus sign from b, here b minus a. So here you know the b minus a is equal to minus of a minus b. And this minus sign is multiplied to the previous, okay, to the factor minus 1. So it will be plus sign. Is it clear? So this minus b minus, this is minus of b minus a. So if I write a minus b, this minus sign will, by bringing a minus 1 common, okay, this minus 1 will multiply here numerical factor minus 1. So sign will be plus sign. Okay. Similarly, x square. Okay. So you see now is equal to x minus a minus b whole square. Let us rewrite the same thing. Y minus a plus b whole square. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Yes? Okay. So let us simplify this one. So here you see, can you use the formula of a minus b whole square? Can you use the formula a minus b whole square? Here first term and second term. Here first term is x, second term is a plus b. So here first term square means x square plus second term is a plus b. Second term square minus 2 into first term into second term. Using the identity a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. First term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term second term. Understand? Similarly, y plus of a plus b whole square formula can you apply? Here y square plus a minus b whole square minus here plus 2y into a plus b. Here you can apply first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term and second term. Here coming first term is y, second term is a minus b. Here you are using the identity a plus b whole square. Okay, understand? Similarly, here x minus of a minus b, it means a minus b, since there is a minus sign, so you can use the identity a minus b whole square. It means first term is first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second term. Okay, understand? Whatever first term, in place of first term is x square plus in place of second term is what? A minus b whole square minus 2a first term into second term. Here first term is x, second term is a plus b, a minus b. Similarly, here y minus of a plus b whole square. You can write here first term square, which is y square, plus second term square, which is a plus b whole square, minus 2 into first term in y, second term a plus b. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. Now after expand, you see here. Okay. You see, and in the LHS side is plus a plus b whole square, and the RHS is also plus a minus b whole square. Plus a plus b whole square in the LHS and plus a plus b whole square in the RHS. If the same algebraic expression having the same sign and the same expression will be cancelled. Here you see plus x square in the LHS left hand side and plus x square in the right hand side. We can cancel same sign and same term. Similarly, plus y square in the LHS side and plus y square in the RHS side we can cancel. Then what next we can cancel here? You see here plus a minus b whole square. Here also plus a minus b whole square we can cancel. Understand? Okay. So after cancellation you see here minus 2x whole into a plus b plus 2y whole into a minus b is equal to minus 2x whole into a minus b minus 2y whole into a plus b. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Understand? Now let's see. If you remove the bracket also no problem. Here minus 2x multiply minus 2x into b is minus 2bx, 2bx. Similarly plus 2ay minus 2y into minus b is minus 2by Is it clear? Similarly, minus 2x into a minus 2x, minus into minus plus 2x. Understand? Minus 2y into a minus 2ay and minus 2by, because minus 2y into v is minus 2by. Okay? Understand? And another interesting thing, you see the minus 2x in the left hand side and minus 2x in the right hand side, we can cancel. Okay, again minus 2by in the left hand side and minus 2by in the right hand side, we can cancel. You see here minus 2bx, here is plus 2bx, we cannot cancel. Why? Because here is minus sign, here is plus sign, opposite sign. Okay, so we never cannot cancel. So that what will happen, let us transpose. It is minus 2bx, okay, then minus 2by, okay, then is equal to minus 2ay, and here plus 2ay is minus 2ay. Understood or not? Here you see minus 2bx, here plus you see okay, here see minus 2bx, here is plus 2bx, this plus 2bx will be minus 2bx, sorry. Okay, understand? And here minus 2ay, this plus 2ay goes to right side, it will be minus 2ay. So it will be minus 4bx and this is minus 4ay. Understand? Now you see this minus 4 will be plus 4bx, change the sign, and if this minus 4bx will be plus 4bx, similarly the minus 4ay will be plus 4ay. Understand? Okay, here can we cancel 4 and 4 also, here cancel. That implies we got what you got here. Yes, finally the desired relationship is equal to bx, that implies bx is equal to ay, bx is equal to ay, that implies bx minus ay is equal to 0. This is the desired relationship, and we got bx minus ay. You see clearly, you see the option B is the correct option. Okay, so the option B is the correct option. Understand? So option B is the correct option. Is it clear? Okay, understood? Okay, just follow it and practice the similar kind of problem. Okay, students, next question is question number 14 is that, and it is given that if three vertices of rhombus taken in order, or the coordinate is, first vertex is 2, which coordinate is 2 minus 1, second vertex, okay, with the coordinate is 3 4, and third vertex is with coordinate minus 2 3, then its fourth vertex is option A 2 minus 3, option B the coordinate minus 2 minus 3, the option C, okay, the vertex with the coordinate minus 1 minus 3, and option D 3 vertex with coordinate 3 minus 2. Okay, here in the rhombus is given and 3 vertex are given in, okay, in proper order, in order is given. Okay, 3 vertex are given in the order, so we have to find out the fourth vertex. We have to find out the fourth vertex on the rhombus. Understand or not? So which part? So rhombus is given here. See, look at rhombus is given, and all of you know the properties of rhombus. What is the properties of rhombus? All of you know. Yes, 3 vertices are given. 3 vertices are given in order. Yes or no? Let A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Understand or not? And here the coordinate of the vertex A is 2 minus 1. Let us. And the coordinate of vertex B is 3 4. And the coordinate of vertex C is minus 2. We have to find out fourth vertex D, the coordinate of D. Let the coordinate of vertex be D. Okay. Let the coordinate of the vertex D be xy. Okay. Understand? Okay. Understood how to find out the fourth vertex? Yes. Tell me how to find out. So you have to remember the properties of the rhombus. One of the important properties of the rhombus, it is that the diagonals of a rhombus, bisect each other at right angle. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Understand? Okay. So this concept we can useful. That's why let us draw the rhombus first. Let us draw the diagonal. AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. Bisect each other at the point O. Okay. We know that. What do you know? We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. Yes or no? At right angle. At right angle. Okay. And the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at any angle. We know the difference between the parallelogram and the rhombus is that, okay, in the parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other at any angles, and diagonals in case of rhombus, the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. This is the most and major difference between the parallelogram and rhombus. Okay. So your diagonals bisect each other at right angle means, what do you mean by that? So first of all, the diagonal bisect. If the diagonal bisect, you can say AO is equal to CO. AO is equal to CO is equal to AC by 2. It means O is the midpoint of AC. That implies O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. So according to midpoint formula, okay. So what is the coordinate of O? Now the coordinate of O. According to the formula, what is the formula I can use? Now see, coordinate midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Yes or no? Can you use this formula? This is the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. The coordinate of midpoint of a line segment. Yes or no? So here you see x1. So O is the midpoint of AC. So we can take this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay. Understand? Here x1 is what? You see. Here x1 is what? If you take this is x1. So this formula understood? Look at here. Here you see, and here A and C and O is the midpoint. Here coordinate 2 minus 1 and C the coordinate minus 2 minus 3. Yes or no? Minus 2 minus 3. Yes or no? Is it clear? C the coordinate minus 2 plus 3 given. Sorry student, plus 3 given. Look at here, plus 3. Here coordinate of C is minus 2 plus 3. The coordinate of B is 2 minus 1. The coordinate of A is 3 4. The coordinate of C is what? Minus 2 3. Okay. Let us check. Okay. So here this is x1 and this is x2. So similarly use the formula x1 plus x2 upon 2. Yes or no? And y1 upon y2 by 2. So that implies that is equal to the coordinate of A. O is equal to how much? So you see now x1, the value of x1 is 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2, and y1 means what? Minus 2 x1 plus x2. Here is what is x1 del? x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to minus 2, and here y1 is equal to what? Minus 1. y1 is equal to minus 1 plus y2. y2 is equal to what? 3. 3 divided by 2. Understand? So that is equal to, you can write 2 plus or minus 2 0. So 0 by 2 this value will be 0. So minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So coordinate of O you got. Similarly, because the diagonal are bisected each other, so you see now O is also midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD. Midpoint of the diagonal BD. It means we can write the BO is equal to DO is equal to what? BD upon 2, half of BD. Okay. So what is the coordinate of O then? The coordinate of O will be what? Same formula here. Okay. Let's see. Understand here? Okay. So similarly, in case of point B, O is the midpoint of BD here. Now you see, this is the what? This is B, this is D, suppose. And this is the midpoint O. Here coordinate of B is 3, 4. And the coordinate of D is what? XY. XY. And here this is X1, this is Y1. And this is X2, this is Y2. Okay. So the sum of the half, so midpoint formula X1 plus X2, here X1 means 3 plus X2 means X by 2, and here Y1 means 4 plus, okay, yes, 4 plus Y2 means Y upon 2. This is the second point we got, understand? Okay, since the coordinate of a particular point is always constant, you see from the point 1 and point 2, if you can comparing the corresponding x coordinate, now you see 3 plus x by 2 is equal to 0. Can you compare or not? Yes. On comparing both the, okay, you see now, here you see 0, 1, coordinate of is 0, 1 is equal to coordinate of is what? 3 plus x upon 2 and 4 plus y upon 2. Understand? You can compare the corresponding x coordinate and corresponding y coordinate. Can you get the value of x and y? Yes. Can you get the value of x and y? Can you get? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see now 3 plus x. Now I'm comparing both sides. Okay, of their corresponding x coordinate. Now a 3 plus x upon 2 is equal to 0. So that implies 3 plus x is equal to 0. And that implies x is equal to minus 3. We got x is equal to minus 3. Yes or no? X is equal to minus 3. Yes? Okay? Understand? Okay, and let's see, similarly comparing the y coordinate on both sides. You see 4 plus y by 2. You see on comparing 4 plus y upon 2 is also equal to what? 1. Yes or no? So that implies 4 plus y is equal to 2 and y is equal to what? 2 minus 4 is minus 2. This is the comparing x value and y value. Okay. Understand? Is it clear? Yes? So we got the values of x is minus 3 and values of y is minus 2. Y plus 4 by 2 is equal to how much? 1. Yes? Is it clear? So here student, you see we got the x value is minus 3 and y value is minus 2. We got x coordinate is minus 3. Here we got the fourth vertex, x value is minus 3 and y value is minus 2. Yes or no? So its fourth vertex will be what? Minus 3, minus 2. So the option you see 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3. Let us just rectify the option D. If you just change, just suppose this value will be minus 3 then. Suppose. Okay, let us option D. Okay, here we have left the minus sign here. So here minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, so then D will be the correct option. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? So there is a little change in the option. Do the little change in the option. So the option D, it was plus 3. Let us do minus 3. Okay. So here the fourth vertex. Here the fourth vertex is, here vertex of D is what? Minus 3, minus 2. Yes or no? Yes? Is it clear? Hence, we see the D is the correct option. Fourth vertex is here. Okay. So option D we can get. Option D is the correct option. Let us modify the option this time. Okay. Understand? here there was some mistaken in the option here. Just to rectify the option here. Okay, is it clear now? The fourth vertex how to find out using the process you understood. Whenever you are finding the process, okay, the fourth vertex, okay, and what is the process? You are using the coordinate of midpoint formula. Okay, understand or not? Okay, is it clear? Okay, thank you. Okay, next question is question number 15. I am going to discuss here. If 3 points are given, ABC are the 3 points are given of a right angle triangle. ABC are the 3 vertices of a right angle triangle at C. Okay, and 3 coordinates are given. Okay, and here one of the unknown value, we have to find out the values of y. Let's see the question here. And okay, and here ABC, you see here, ABC is a right angle triangle at C. ABC is a right angle triangle at C. It means C angle is 90 degrees. Suppose this is A, this is B. Understand? And here the coordinate of A is given 5, 3. And the coordinate of B is given 11, minus 5. And the coordinate of C given 12y. 12y given. Here y value, you have to unknown value, we have to find out the values of y. Okay? Here C angle is right angle. Understand? Okay? So clearly we can do it using the distance formula. By finding the distance formula, is it clear? The question is that 3 vertices are given, and these are the vertices of right angle triangle whose C angle is 90 degree. Okay, understand? And the coordinate of A is given 5, 3. The coordinate of B is 11 minus 5, and the coordinate of C is 12y. Then we have to find out the values of y. Okay, here option also given to you. Let's see which is the correct option. Okay, let us discuss. So here you have to use the distance formula, students. Using the distance formula you can do it. Yes or no? Okay, so you see now using the Pythagoras concept, let us find out AB square, which is the hypotenuse, using the distance formula. Here using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so here we can write, here you say if this is x1, this is y1, this will be x2 and y2. It means 11 minus 5 whole square plus minus 5 minus 3 whole square, because here this is minus 5, this is okay, difference between the y coordinate, and that is called 11 minus 5, 6 the square plus minus 8 whole square. So 6 root was 36, it is 64, and this is 100. Understand? So AB square is equal to 100. You got AB square is equal to 100. Understand? So you got AB square is equal to 100. Understand? Similarly, let us see AC square. Here AC square what? Similarly, using the distance formula. Okay, if I am taking this is 12 minus 5, difference between the x coordinate, 12 minus 5 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square, y minus whole square, using the formula concept of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 whole square. Here you have to remove the, no need to give the square root symbol, because already we have squaring the distance. Okay, so here 12 minus 5 how much? 7 square plus y minus 3 is equal to what? Y minus 3 whole square means you can apply a minus whole square is a square plus b the square 9 minus 6y. So we can rewrite y square minus 6y, 7 square 49 plus 9. Yes or no? So that is called y square minus 6y plus 49 plus 9 how much? 58. Yes or no? So we got that is AC square. So we got AC square is equal to y square minus 6y plus 58. Okay? Understand? Okay. So we got here AC square is equal to, let's see, AC square is equal to y square minus 6y plus 58. Understand? Once again check. Here 7 square 49. Here y square minus 6y. Yes or no? Here 12 minus 5 7, 7 square is 49, and here 9, so 9 plus 9 18, 58. So y square minus 6y plus 58 ac square we got. Similarly, next we find bc square, and bc square is also similarly using the distance formula. Suppose I am taking this one 12 minus 11. You read 12 minus 11 whole square plus y minus a minus 5 plus 5 is a no whole square. Understand? Here we get 12 minus 11 means 1. 1 square 1 plus y square plus here a plus b whole square formula you can apply. Y square plus 5 whole square 25 plus 2 5 is 10y. And finally we get y square plus 10y. 25 plus 1 is 26. So this is bc square. Understand or not? So bc square is equal to y square plus 10y plus 26. Understand or not? Okay. Is it clear? Yes? Okay. Let's see. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we know according to Pythagoras theorem, okay, what is the Pythagoras theorem? And here AB square, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Yes or no? So AB square we got, here AB square we got 100. Here AC square we got, that simplifies AC square, just you write AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square, can write also. Here you see AC square means y square minus 6y plus 58 plus BC square, here y square plus 10y plus 26 is equal to how much? 100 is equal to 100, right? Okay, understand? So you see now here, just you rearrange y square plus y square, can write 2y square. Here minus 6y plus 10y, what? Plus 4y, yes or no? And 58 plus 26, 58 plus 26, 58 plus 26, 84. This is plus 84, yes or no? Yes, 8, 6 is 14, 4 carry 1, 5 1 is 6 plus 2 8 is equal to 100. Okay, understand? Is it clear? Okay, so now that implies we have to find out the value of y. 2y square plus 4y, okay, 84 minus 100 is equal to 0. Transpose 100 to left hand side. So that implies 2y square plus 4y minus 100 minus 84 is what? 16 is equal to 0. Okay, then you bring common y 2. Okay, so y square plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So that implies y square plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here 2 goes to transpose, it is 0 divided by 2, which is 0. So it is y square plus 2y minus 18. Okay. Now let us find the value of this. Is a quadratic equation, all of you know, and we can factorize by middle term splitting methods. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so you can write here y square plus 4y minus 2y. Can you write middle term splitting methods? So divide 2y into two parts. One is 4y minus 2y, which is minus 8. Yes or no? So that implies y. Let us y common from the first and two terms. Y plus 4 and minus 2 common whole into y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, understand? So after that you say once again let us write the y plus 4 whole into y minus 4, y minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies y plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies y plus 4 is equal to 0. Or y minus 2 is equal to 0. So that implies y is equal to minus 4 and 2. Hence, y is equal to minus 4 and 2. So minus 4 and 2, which is the correct option? Let's see. Here minus 4 and 2. Okay. Hence, the y value, the value of y is minus 4 and 2. And we can see minus 4 and 2. So C is the correct option. Here option C. Is it clear? Option C is the correct answer. Understand or not? Okay. Here option C is the correct option. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Next question is question number 16. Okay. Here the question number 16 is that if 3 points given, 3 points are given, the coordinates of 3 points are given, and one coordinate is x2, another coordinate is minus 3 minus 4, and third coordinate is 7 minus 4. 3 points. Okay. And coordinates are given are collinear. One of the unknown value is given x2. One of the coordinate is x2. So x value, you have to find out the values of x. Okay. And here the options are given in front of you. Let's see. 3 points are collinear. What should be the value of x? We have to find out. Here I am telling an interesting concept to you. And if the points are collinear, 3 points are collinear, if 3 points, suppose x1, y1, just I am writing one formula for that, b x2, y2, and c x3, y3 are collinear, then one interesting trick I am telling, just to remember. Then you see x1, y1, just you write down x1, y1 in the, okay, in a vertical manner. Similarly x2, y2, and again x3, y3, write down third point, and again you write x1, y1. x1, y1 is equal to how much? Must be 0. This condition you remember. If 3 points are given, we have to check the 3 points are collinear. Okay, the vertex are x1, y1, another vertex x2, y2, and the vertex C is whose coordinate is x3, y3. Okay, then first of all write down first vertex x1, y1, coordinate is x1, y1, write down in a vertical manner. Okay, similarly second coordinate B, the coordinate is x2, y2, then third coordinate write x3, y3, then again you write the first coordinate x1, y1. This is not only applicable for 3 vertices, you can write down condition, you can check the collinear condition of any vertex are given. Suppose 4 vertices are collinear, you can write similarly x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then x4, y4, again x1, y1. Understand or not? Suppose 3 vertices are given x1, y1. Understand? Again x2, y2. And third vertex x3, y3. This is a quadrilateral. 4 vertices are given and x4, y4 are collinear. Then this condition we can apply similar condition, same process, write down x1, y1 in the vertical manner, x2, y2, second vertex, third vertex is x3, y3, write down, then x4, y4. After writing x4 vertices, again you come back to the first vertex x1, y1 is equal to 0. Understood this one? Okay. Is it clear? Okay. And if similar process, however, whatever the points are given, okay, and this condition, this trick, you just remember it to find the condition of the collinearity. Okay. Is it for you? Okay. Then you say, let's see how to find out. Let's see how to find out this one. You see, given now the coordinate x1, y1, here x1, y1, suppose x and 2. Again second vertex given minus 3, minus 4, and third vertex given 7, minus 5. Okay, 3 vertex you wrote. Again you write last vertex, first vertex x2 is equal to 0. Understand, students? Then you see, look at here. Here you see, if you looking at this, it's looking like a rectangle. Looking like a rectangle or not? So multiply this one. In rectangle, if you see, x minus 3 and 2 minus 4. This is looking like rectangle, understand or not? Diagonal, and this is the diagonal rectangle. Okay, so multiply diagonal elements. X into minus 4, it is minus 4x. Similar manner, let us multiply what? Okay, understood? Is it clear? Okay. Similarly, this one multiply here. Minus 3 into minus 5 plus, give the plus sign after that. Multiply x into minus 4. Okay, then give the plus sign. Okay, understand? These are called main diagonal elements. Okay, so minus 3 into minus 5 will be 15. Then which sign? Plus sign. Again multiply 7 into 12, 14. Understand or not? Okay, is it clear? Then you do minus sign. Then multiply what? Anti-diagonal elements, non-leading elements. Okay, non-diagonal elements. This is called non-diagonal elements. Multiply. So whenever you are multiplying, you have to put the minus sign. Okay, then 2 into minus 3, these are called non-diagonal elements. 2 into minus 3 is what? Minus 6. Right in the bracket. Understand? Similarly, next, multiply minus 4 into 7. Minus sign you have to put in these cases. So minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. 7 4 is 28, minus 28. Again, minus sign and minus 5x is equal to 0. Understand or not? Okay. So that implies minus 4x. Look at here. Loss 15 plus 14, how much? You can write 29. Minus and minus plus 6. Minus and minus plus 28. Okay. And here minus plus 5x. Modulus is equal to 0. Let us see. That implies, you see, minus 4x plus 5x is equal to x. 29 plus 6. 29 plus 6 is 35. 35 plus 28. 63, I think. Yes or no? Plus 63. Yes, plus 63 is equal to 0. That implies, remove the modulo sign, x plus 63 is equal to 0. So that implies x is equal to how much? Minus 63. Is equal to minus 63. Okay. Yes. X is equal to minus 63. Okay. So here you are getting, so now the value of x is given. C is the correct option. Hence here you got C is the correct option. So option C is the correct option. Understand? Minus 63. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? Understand? So remember the tricks also. Okay. Here question number 18 is another simple question I am discussing. The question is that the distance of the point 4, 7. The distance of the point, its coordinate is given 4, 7 from the x-axis is here option A 4, option B 7, option C is 11, option D 65 root over. Okay, and you see here a point is given in the coordinate system. Look at here, this is a given point. Let this point be A, whose coordinate is 4, 7. We have to find out this is the x-axis. Yes or no? This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. We have to find out the distance of the point A from the x-axis. So students, distance of the point A from the x-axis means we have to draw a perpendicular from the point A on the x-axis. Suppose AM. So what is the distance of the point AM on the x-axis? Okay, and this is the perpendicular AM, and this AM is the determine which coordinate? Y coordinate naturally, and it's parallel to which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so clearly all of you know, according to the definition, the distance of a point from the x-axis determines the y coordinate. What is y coordinate? Definition. Yes, what is y coordinate? The distance of a point. If a point is given, whose vertex is given, the distance of a point from the x-axis is known as y coordinate. Okay, so clearly you see the given point. What is y coordinate? The y coordinate is 7. So the answer will be 7 or not? Hence, we know that y coordinate. What is y coordinate? We know that according to definition of the y coordinate, okay, the distance of a point, from x-axis is known as y coordinate. Okay, all of you remember, is known as y coordinate. Yes or no? Similarly, understand? Okay, y coordinate. So the values of y what? Here the value y coordinate is 7. Hence, the required answer is 7. So this distance is equal to what? The distance is equal to how much? AM. Yes or no? This is y is equal to 7. Understand? Understood or not? So very simple question. According to definition, we will apply. So the distance of the point, required point from the x-axis is the y coordinate, which is 7. Okay. Similarly, if they ask what is the distance of the point from the y-axis, it means it determines x coordinate. Very simple. As per the definition, remember the basic concept of the definition of the x coordinate and y coordinate. The distance of a point from the x-axis is known as y coordinate, and distance of a point from the y-axis is known as x coordinate. Okay, understand? Okay. So if the question is asking what is the distance of point A from the y-axis, so what will be your perpendicular? Suppose AM, so this value will be what? 4. This value will be 4, and this value 7, and this value 7. So x value 4. Understand or not? Here x is equal to 4. So x coordinate is 4. If the question is asking. Okay, and all of you know, it's a very simple question. Understood? Is it clear? So as per the requirement, it is asking only y coordinate. So only we have to focus that. Okay. So distance of the point from the y-axis, from the x-axis, according to definition, y value is 7. Simply. Okay. Understand? Okay. Question number 19 I am discussing for you here. We are discussing the problem based on the coordinate geometry. Okay. Next question is 19. Here is an interesting question for you. And if the point P, whose coordinate is xy, is any point on the line joining the points A, coordinate is a0, and B, with coordinate 0b, then x by a plus y by b is, the option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is -1, option D is 2. Okay, understand? Here is given the point P lies on the line joining A and B. Suppose A is a point, here A is a point and B is a point, and here coordinate is what? It is given coordinate of a 0a given, yes or no? And here coordinate of B is given 0b. Understand? See, another point lies here, that point is P, whose coordinate is xy. So the point P lies on the line segment joining A and B. It means the point, here the point P, xy, lies on the line segment AB. Okay, it means it is clearly proved that A, P, B, 3 points are what? Collinear. Understand? So according to the condition of collinear, you know, if 3 points are collinear, so you can write here x1, y1. Remember, here x2, y2, then x3, y3, and here again x1, y1 is equal to 0. 3 points are collinear. So now you see here x1 value, what is x1? x1 value a, y1 value 0. So write down a 0. Similar manner, what? Second point is xy, and third vertex is 0b. In the vertical manner you write, and that is what? Again you write a0. Last point you have to write. Yes or no? If 3 points are collinear in the you write x1, y1, first vertex, x2, y2 in the vertical manner. x3 y3 x1 y1. Okay, here x1 y1 you write on the coordinate a0, x2 y2 given xy, x3 y3 given 0 v. Again x1 y1 last point, again the first point, again you write in the last column in the vertical way a0. Okay, so after that you just okay, then you multiply here. Okay, multiply a into y, x into b, and 0 into 0. Is it clear? Okay, yes. So you see now, that implies, you see now, a into y, multiply ay, then after that plus sign, then x into b, that is bx, okay, then plus 0 into 0, okay, again multiply 0 into x by giving which sign? Minus sign. So 0 into x is 0, again minus sign, multiply y into 0, here y into 0, minus sign, putting minus sign you do, okay, 0, again b into a what? Minus ab is equal to 0, understand? Modulus. So that implies bx plus ay minus ab is equal to 0. Remove the sign, modulus sign. Okay, so it means that bx plus ay is equal to ab. Yes or no? So divide ab on both sides. Divide ab on both sides. Understand? After cancellation you will get what? Just will get what? You see here we can cancel b here, v here. Here a cancel, ab will be cancel. Okay, so that's value finally will get what? X by a plus y upon b is equal to how much? 1 will get, because ab will cancel. Okay, so option B is the correct option. So option B, the value of, okay, the relationship x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Okay, understand? Okay, thank you. Okay, here I am discussing question number 20 for you. Okay, and of the MC question, another interesting question for you. Okay, and here the question is that the coordinate of the center of a circle passing through the points, 3 points are given. The circle passing through the 3 points, we have to find out the center of the circle. Here the 3 points are given. Okay, with the vertex 0 0, second vertex whose coordinate is minus 2 1, and third vertex is whose coordinate is minus 3 2. Okay, here a circle is given. A circle passes through the 3 points. Look at here. A circle passes through the 3 points. Is it clear? Yes, this is the center of the circle. Here 3 points can give one of the points. Let the one of the points be A and another point B, and third point is C. Let us give the name of the 3 points. Okay, the circle passes through the 3 points. Okay, and here the coordinate of A is 0 0 given, and B is given what? Minus 2 1, and the C coordinate is given what? Minus 3 2. Okay, and here suppose O is the center of circle whose coordinate suppose xy. Let we have to find out the center of the coordinate of the center of the circle. Yes or no? Understand? So let OXY be the center. Be the center. So what are we finding here? You see now OA is the radius of the circle, OB is the radius of circle, and OC is the radius of circle. And radius of circles are equal. Yes or no? So naturally you see now OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, or that implies OA square OB square is equal to OC square. Okay, now you can equate OA square is equal to OB square using the distance formula. OA square means what? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Yes or no? Similarly OB square is equal to x minus or minus 2 plus 2 whole square. You see difference distance formula I am applying here. X minus 1 minus 2 is plus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Understand? So that implies x minus 0 is x square plus y square is equal to x plus 2 whole square. You can expand using the concept of using the formula a plus b whole square, which is x square plus 2 whole square 4 plus 4x. Similarly here a minus b whole square, which is y square plus 1 minus 2y. Understand? You see x square in the left hand side and x square in the right hand side, we can cancel. Y square in the left hand side and y square in the right hand side, we can cancel. Understand? So after that we are getting, you see now this side is 0, so here 4x. So next let us rewrite 4x and here minus 2y. 4x minus 2y, here 4, here plus 4 plus 1 5 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Understand? We got the desired relationship. Yes? Yes? Okay? So 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Understand? Here is 4x, once again minus 2y, here 4, here plus 4, here plus 4, here plus 1, it will be 5. This side is 0. So we got one linear equation, 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Understand? Is it clear? Similarly, so by equating OA square is equal to OB square, similarly you can equate OB square is equal to OC square. OB square is equal to OC square. Or you can equate OA square is equal to OC square, can you also equate? Yes or no? We can also equate OA square is equal to what? Okay. Yes? Or any equation we can also equate, no problem. OA square can be equal to OSC square, OB square can be equal to OC square. Okay, see, OB square is equal to OC square. Let us equate that. Understand? Now OB square using the distance formula, you see x minus or minus 2 is plus 2. So x plus 2 whole square plus, you see now, y minus 1 whole square. Yes or no? Similarly OC square means x minus or minus 3 plus 3. So x plus 3 whole square. Yes, yes. Plus difference between the y coordinate y2 minus y1. Suppose y minus 2 whole square. Understand? Let us expand this one. So x square plus 4 plus 4x a plus whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly a minus whole square formula you can use here. So y square 1 square 1 minus 2y. Okay. Similarly x plus 3 whole square is x square plus 3 whole square 9 plus 2ab, 2 3 are 6x. Similarly plus y square plus 2 whole square 4 minus 2ab, 2 2 are 4y. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So is it understood? Now you can cancel here plus x square in the left hand side, x square in the right hand side. Okay. Yes. Once again check x square plus 2 square 4 plus 2 2 is 4x, y square, okay, plus 1 plus b square minus 2ab minus 2y. Here x plus 3 whole square under expansion it will be x square plus 9 plus 6x, here y square plus 4 minus 4y. Okay. So here plus y square on the left hand side and plus y square on the right hand side we can cancel. Understand? So after cancellation you will see here you see plus 4 in the left hand side, plus 4 on the right hand side also you will cancel. Okay. So after cancellation let us simplify. After cancellation you can write, you see now, after what is the remaining factor left? Here 4x and here what? Minus 2y. Then here this one cancel, this one cancel, this road, this one cancel, plus 1. You have to write or not? Similarly here 6x, right? First you write the variable. Then minus 4y. Okay. Then you say plus 9. Here you have to write plus 9. Here write what? Okay. This is over. Okay. Understood? Okay. Let us simplify this one. Let's see. So you see 4x 4x here minus 6x, can you transpose? Then minus 2y, it will what? Plus 4y, can be transposed. Okay, here plus 1 in the left hand, it will be minus 9 is equal to 0. Understand? So that implies here 4x, let us see 4x, here plus 6x will be transferred to the left hand side, it will be minus 2x, 6x, minus 2y, okay, and minus 2y in the left hand side, and this minus 4y will be transposed to the left hand side, it will be plus 4y, here plus 1 in the left hand side, and 9 will be transposed, it will be minus 9. So 4x minus 6x how much? Minus 2x, minus 2y plus 4y how much? 2y and minus 8. Understand or not? So you can bring the common here, minus 2 common, x minus y plus 4 is equal to how much? 0. That implies x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the second equation we got. So this minus 2 will be transposed, it will be 0 divided by minus 2. So second equation we got x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. On solving x and y two equation, linear equation, we can find out the center of the circle, the value of x and y, which is the center of the circle. Understand or not? Okay. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Understand? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Now the equation 1 is that 4x plus minus 2y. Let us see. 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Let us solve it by method of elimination method. Here 4x, here x. So can you multiply here 4 on both sides in the second equation. Now write it 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. And here 4x minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. Yes or no? And after that you cancel, do minus. Okay, change the sign. It is minus sign, it will be plus, this is minus. Okay, so plus 4x minus 4x will be cancelled. And here after that minus 2y plus 4y how much? 2y. Here 5 minus 16 what? Minus 11 is equal to 0. Understand? So that implies, you can see 2y is equal to 11. 2y is equal to 11. That implies y value is equal to 11 by 2. Y value 11 by 2. Understand? Okay. By putting the values of y in equation 1 or equation 2. Let us put equation x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Let us put here. Okay. Understand? Now you see from the equation 2 you got x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Or here you can put. This side you do. Okay. So here value of x, value of y you have to write. So x minus, here value of y is what? 11 by 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. So that implies x is equal to 11 by 2 minus 4. So it is 2 is the LCM. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Hence x is equal to 3 by 2. Understand? So x is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to 11 by 2. So what is the center of the circle? Hence center of the circle is that. We got, yes, hence the center of circle. What is the center of the circle? X. Center circle x value we got what? 3 upon 2 and y value we got 11 upon 2. So you see, yes, here B is the correct option for you. So is it clear all of you? This is an important question for you. And okay, of the coordinate system. Okay, so thank you all of you for your patience, for your interest. Okay, so practice in proper manner. Okay, your patience is required, your hard work is the key factor for success. So let us carry on your work. Okay, understand? Hope you are doing best. Okay, for your exam. Thank you. Okay, all of you.